Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee dental injury compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to by looking at personal injury compensation amounts if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury causing tooth damage. So that's personal injury compensation, how much you may be entitled to and how to claim. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've suffered damage to your teeth, whether as a result of a road traffic accident, an accident at work, a slip, trip or fall, or dental negligence, as long as the accident was not your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming compensation if you've been involved in an accident which has caused tooth damage or dental damage? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in tooth damage, we recommend that you reach out to a specialist dental solicitor that has experience in dealing with tooth damage, no-win, no-fee compensation claims. The good news for you is that we at legalexpert.co.uk are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation. We will talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, by calling our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to go over different types of dental claims, dental negligence definition, and the dental negligence time limit for making a claim. Something to bear in mind is that the figures that we'll shortly be going over represent only a fraction of how much you may receive, as the amounts in the table that we're about to show you are solely the award levels for the injury itself, and they don't include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you may have incurred because of the accident. If you reach out to us, we'll be happy to use our tooth damage compensation claim calculator to help you establish the total value of your claim. Now, following this consultation, we will talk through your tooth damage compensation injury claim with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, and most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at the table for tooth damage compensation claim amounts. In front of us, we have the table for damage to teeth compensation claim amounts, and for significant chronic tooth pain, you could expect to receive anything up to £30,390. For loss of or serious damage to several front teeth, you could expect to receive anything from £6,960 right the way up to £9,100. For loss of or serious damage to two front teeth, you could expect to receive anything between £3,470 right the way up to £6,080. For loss of or serious damage to one front tooth, you could expect to receive anything between £1,760 right the way up to £3,150. For loss of or serious damage to back teeth per tooth, you could expect to receive anything between £870 right the way up to £1,360. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.